Hi everyone, we're going to be making extending grabbers. For this activity, you're going to need 8 craft sticks, your straws, your pipe cleaners, rubber bands, 2 cups, some tape. Tape does not come in kits, you'll have to get that from your house, and some scissors, and you might want a ruler and a pencil. When doing this activity, the craft sticks need to fit inside your straws. Unfortunately, the craft straws are a little bit too big, so you have some choices here. If you want, you can go to Walmart and get skinny craft sticks for about $2. And then these will fit in with the straws and will work out pretty good. You can try to trim the ends of your craft sticks to see if you can get it small enough to fit into the straws, or if you have bigger straws at your house, you could try those. I was unsuccessful in finding bigger straws. But you can always give it a try and be creative. That is always okay. So for this first part, you're going to need straws about 2 inches in length. So I'm going to use my rulers and I'm going to make a mark every 2 inches. Okay. And then you can go ahead and pause and cut your straws apart. Okay. Then you're going to take your craft stick and you're going to very gently work them into the straw. You're going to need to leave about 1 inch in between your 2 craft sticks. Okay, so just make sure you have a little room in between them, like so. And you're going to need to do that until you have 4 arms that look just like this. So go ahead and pause until you've done this step. Alright, now we have this step done. You should have 4 arms. Okay, now we're going to use our skewers. 2 skewers, and you're gonna know the skewer is a skewer because it has a pointed part. Okay, so you're gonna use your skewers, and I found that when doing this, it's easier if you start with a pin and just make a small hole between our craft sticks. Okay, then you can take a piece of tape gonna put the skewer through the tape, and I use just a pin just to make it go through a little easier. And this is a hard part, so you might want to ask Mom and Dad's help. Alright, so you got our skewer. Gonna use the pins that you made, put the skewer through the straw. Like I said, this is going to be the tricky part. So I'm going to just try to make this hole a little bigger. Alright, as you can see, I got one in, and then I'm going to do the other one. Okay, and then you're just going to take a piece of tape and you're going to cover the two pieces together. So these will need to make a big X like so, and then you're going to just cut off, and then just go ahead and put the tape around. And you might have to use your scissors to trim the tape so it kind of goes around your pieces like so. Boy, that was the hard part. Okay, and we have to do that step again. Okay, so again, you're going to want to use a pin to just make a hole for the skewer to go through. Gotta find my point here. There we go. There we go. Cut off. And now tape around the skewer. Okay. So. And that's how I use a skinnier piece of tape, and that worked out a little better. Okay, so we're gonna do not only the two X's, but then when you put the skewers together, you're also gonna have to do this point here and this point here. So I'm gonna let you pause right now and do all your arms, connect them using the skewers, and then I'll show you the next step. Alright, now that you have your grabber on the end here, you're going to need to make something to grab with. Okay, and you can do that by using some rubber bands and craft sticks and tying them together, or you can use your pipe cleaner. And I'm gonna just take a pipe cleaner and I am gonna cut them in half. I just folded it to see where half was. I cut it in half, and then I'm just going to glue it, tape, or I suppose you could glue it onto the ends. Voila. And then you can curve. Oops, sorry. And then you can go ahead and just curve the ends at the bottom. And you can test it out to see if you can go ahead and grab your cup. So, let's see if we can get it to close. Alright, well, I think I need a bigger cup. But I'm going to let you guys play around and see if you can get yours working. Alright, have fun with this, guys.